What's going on YouTube? How y'all doing today? And today I did tell you guys we are going to get into the muffler delete video. It is 4 in the morning and we are recording this video for you guys. 4 in the morning. Let's first give a review on what the Civic looking like. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, let's see, hold on. Let me turn. Jesus! I ain't gonna lie. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna pretty much get into a cold start and see what it sound like. So I'm gonna let my girl sit in the car and turn it on, and then I'll record it from behind so y'all can hear what it sound like when you first cut on the car. Just FYI, everything done on this car, only thing that's touched on the mufflers is the resonator and some muffler delete. After that, that's it. There's nothing else really touched on the car. So let's just hop straight into it. Enough talking, and yeah. Alright y'all, so this is what it sounded like. This car hasn't been cut on in 2 days, so it's gonna take a while for the noise to, of course, dial in and stuff. We're gonna do a few revs when we leave the apartment. We're not gonna do it now because it is 4 in the morning and I'm not finna bother nobody anyway. You know, it's too early for that, and it's definitely a Sunday, like, you know, everybody trying to get their sleep and stuff. But yeah, man, this car looking nice. Yeah. Y'all see the muffler tip. Literally almost stuck on the pavement. But yeah, so we about to hop into it. Just give us about maybe 5-10 minutes, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Alright y'all, so the car is finally warmed up after like 5-10 minutes. I haven't turned on the car in about like 2 days, so yeah, that's why the car is kind of like, you know, it's, you know, tripping right now. Well, it took a little minute to warm up and stuff. I'm gonna roll the window down and we're gonna see if this mic actually gets the audio of the exhaust and stuff. I'm gonna cruise out because I don't want to pretty much make too much noise. You know, it's literally like 4 a.m. so you know what I'm saying, I don't want to do too much. This thing sounds crazy, man. Yeah, I ain't gonna do too much right now, but when I hit that road and I get these clips for y'all, of course I got y'all boys. I'll let y'all hear what it sound like and stuff, and hopefully y'all may one day want to get it. I feel like with the non-VTEC one, since I got a non-VTEC Honda 7 Gen, I feel like it sounds deeper than with the VTEC. I feel like with DTEC it's a little bit more raspy, for sure. And yes, it's just regular piping. All I did was just add a muffler tip. Just regular piping. It's the same pipe, it just cut the same size. I ain't telling them to add no inches or nothing, so yeah. But we finna see what it sounded like. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all rocking with the mic. I just had to get a mic for this channel, bro, because I seen like all my stuff been real staticky and stuff, so yeah. So me and my girl about to go to Wawa, so we finna pretty much do the sound clips over there because it's a straightaway and ain't gonna be nobody on the road. So I'm doing this at a safe time because, you know, I'm not trying to, you know, threaten nobody's lives and stuff like that. So yeah, always make sure when y'all doing y'all exhaust videos ain't nothing too crazy. So let's see what it sound like right now, see if it capture it. Pretty much in cruise mode, and I just hit 40. So the loudest, if you have a muffler and resonator delete, the loudest your car will be is from first and second gear, I would say. Then when you hit third, it kind of quiets down, especially in this car. But And it bounces off of walls too, so it makes it even louder. It bounces off of walls and stuff. But as you guys can see, to me, it's definitely a bang for the buck. It don't sound bad, so yeah. If I was y'all, I would most definitely look into getting one for sure. And look, y'all, the road empty right now, so this is like a perfect time, you know, to get these rollers and runs. That bump caught me off guard. That bump caught me all the way off guard. But yeah, 9 out of 10, I may need some more gas after this because I'm pretty much be wilding. You know what I'm saying? So, pretty much give y'all everything. I'm gonna give y'all the revs. I'm gonna give y'all the POV drive if hopefully my camera pick it up, and then I'll give y'all, of course, the outside clip should be recorded maybe from her phone of me doing the POV drive in the inside. So we're gonna be having like 2 to 3 different clips for y'all to arrange from. You know what I'm saying? To make sure y'all like what it sounds like from the inside and from the outside, because a car sounds definitely different from the inside than compared to the outside. So it pretty much depends on you and your likings. So here we go, we just pulled up right now. Let me get everything set up and then give me like 5 minutes, y'all, and we should be good.